All right, so now we're going to install our new software package. How do we do this? First, we got to take our box, our package, and spin it around so we can see how it looks, again. And then we got to do the unpack. So then you just grab each end and try to do it very nicely so you can have a display. And then again, there we go. There's the content of our application. All right, so we got our mystery prize. Ooh. So we have our different sub applications inside this. So look, we got our 10-piece packets. Look at that, we got our 10-piece packets. We've got our Ethernet cable to do all this stuff. Look at that. Ooh, yummy packets. All right. So let's see what the final product of the application looks like when we have it installed. And look, it is Ronald McDonald. There you go. That's how you install an application. To uninstall, you just reverse the process, put everything back in the box, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.